Hey everyone, check out the YIDERBO 274-piece first aid kit, perfect for car, home, and outdoor emergencies. This lightweight, compact kit measures just 7.8 by 5.5 by 2.9 inches and weighs only 1 pound, making it easy to carry anywhere. Inside, you'll find a variety of essential supplies like bandages, gauze, scissors, tweezers, and emergency blankets for camping, hiking, boating, and more. The individually wrapped cotton swabs ensure cleanliness and convenience when you need them most. Whether you're at home, on the road, or out adventuring, this kit helps you handle minor injuries quickly and effectively. It's also a thoughtful gift to show loved ones you care about their safety. Stay prepared and protect yourself and your friends with this all-in-one first aid solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.